What is LTPO display? Why flagships use it? Defining the LTPO backplane technology. LTPO stands for Low-Temperature Polycrystalline Oxide, and it's a sophisticated backplane technology primarily used in OLED, organic light-emitting diode, displays. It is not the screen itself but the foundational layer of thin-film transistors, TFTs, that control the illumination and refreshing of every pixel on the panel. The hybrid nature of LTPO. LTPO is a hybrid architecture that intelligently integrates two distinct types of TFTs. It combines the high mobility and performance of LTPS, low-temperature polycrystalline silicon, transistors with the low power consumption and stability of Oxide TFTs, typically utilizing IGZO, Indium Gallium Zinc Oxide. The role of LTPS transistors. In this hybrid structure, the LTPS transistors are specifically leveraged for the display's switching circuits. Their high electron mobility allows for the necessary high current and speed required to rapidly charge the pixels, which is essential for achieving ultra-smooth, high refresh rates like 120 Hz. The efficiency of Oxide TFTs, IGZO. Conversely, the Oxide TFTs, or IGZO, are used for the driving transistors. These semiconductors exhibit significantly lower leakage current than LTPS. This low leakage means they can hold their electrical charge longer before needing a refresh, which is the core secret to LTPO's power efficiency. Enabling dynamic refresh rate, VRR. The most crucial functional benefit of LTPO is its ability to enable a truly variable refresh rate, VRR, natively on the display backplane. This means the screen can dynamically adjust its refresh rate based on the content being displayed without requiring additional, power-hungry controller hardware. Power savings in static content. When the user is viewing a static image, reading an ebook, or using an always-on display, AOD, the screen can drop its refresh rate to an ultra-low frequency, often down to 1 Hz. By refreshing the pixels only once per second instead of up to 120 times, the power consumption is drastically reduced. Power consumption statistics. Compared to traditional LTPS-only OLED panels, LTPO technology offers substantial power savings. For instance, in an AOD or low-motion scenario, studies and manufacturers have demonstrated that LTPO can reduce display power consumption by 5% to 15% or even more. Why flagship devices adopt LTPO? Flagship smartphones, smartwatches, and premium tablets adopt LTPO because it perfectly solves the performance versus battery life dilemma. Users demand a battery-smooth 120 Hz experience for interaction and gaming, yet also expect all-day battery life and useful AOD functionality. LTPO delivers both. A key driver in market shift. The adoption of LTPO is rapidly increasing in the premium segment. Market research indicates that LTPO flexible AMOLED shipments are projected to surpass LTPS flexible AMOLED shipments for the first time by the second half of 2025, driven largely by major players like Apple and Samsung. The future of efficient displays. LTPO represents the current pinnacle of mobile display backplane innovation. By skillfully merging two transistor technologies, it provides unparalleled efficiency at both the maximum refresh rate and the absolute minimum, cementing its status as a mandatory feature for all competitive high-end portable devices.